Hi everyone, I hope we're all doing well. Today we're going to be going through my manifestation routine. I wake up robotically affirming I have 1 million subscribers for 10 minutes straight. If you would like to see more of these videos, make sure to subscribe to my RitaKaminski vlogs channel. You can do so by clicking the first link in the description box down below or clicking the card in the top right hand corner. You'll be seeing a lot more of those type of videos on there. I wake up to the cutest view of my kitty and roses in the background. I instantly get into a happy mood. Another technique that I do throughout the day is appreciate the things that I genuinely love. Stan had work a little bit later on that day. I was really happy and I was just taking in those moments as well. Don't mind the mattress. We just got a brand new king size bed, so we're selling our other one. As I am waking up, getting up, walking over to pee and going to the kitchen to do what needs to be done, I am repeating in my head mindlessly, I have 1 million subscribers, I earn $1,000 a day. I am getting my cat food, and in between I'm thinking I need to feed my cat. That happens once, then I go back to robotically affirming I earn $1,000 a day. In the interim, I'm also talking to my cat. I'm also having fun. If I take a moment to pause, I'm not going to make myself feel bad about it. We do need to use our brains to think, but when we're not, we're going back to affirming. I'm getting out my milk, I'm getting out my granola, I'm making myself breakfast, I am getting my vitamins in for the day, and I am repeating in my mind, I earn $1,000 a day. I talk to my SP a little bit, so obviously I'm not robotically affirming then, and then he goes off to work, I take my breakfast, go outside, I'm affirming I'm earning $1,000 a day. Then I stop affirming, I say hi to my bird Kale, I talk to him a little bit. Look how cute he is. I absolutely love him. He's dancing because he's happy to see me. I am not affirming at this point. I am interacting with my pet bird. I start affirming again as I'm leaving to go to my seat in my backyard. I have 1 million subscribers. I have 1 million subscribers. As the sun is hitting me, I am appreciating the sun. I'm thinking, I love the sun. This feels amazing on my face. That's raising my vibration. Now I am doing the Money Mentality Makeover course by Amanda Francis. I absolutely love her and I'm really enjoying this course. So you know that I am not using my brain to affirm anymore. It's switching over to study. I went inside to journal because it got a little bit too hot. As I'm walking from the backyard to the YouTube room, you're goddamn right, I'm robotically affirming I have 1 million subscribers, I'm earning $1,000 a day. Those are my two big priorities. Even I do the work, guys. This is pages on pages on pages on me fixing my money mentality. Bam. Now I'm gonna start getting ready to the gym, and as I'm walking over to my bathroom, I'm robotically affirming I have 1 million subscribers, I'm earning $1,000 a day. Taking my clothes off, I don't have to put in any strenuous thoughts into that. I'm affirming I have 1 million subscribers, I'm earning $1,000 a day. Putting on deodorant. Yes, you decide a split second to put on deodorant, but it's something that's on autopilot. It's something that I've been doing for years. I'm putting in my contacts, I'm robotically affirming. I'm fixing my earrings, I'm robotically affirming. This is me still, robotically affirming I have 1 million subscribers. I have 1 million subscribers. I have 1 million subscribers. I'm doing my hair, I'm brushing my teeth, I am affirming I have 1 million subscribers, I'm earning $1,000 a day. I have 1 million subscribers, I earn $1,000 a day. What else should I be thinking about? Exactly. Next, a super exciting package came in, so I took a moment to really appreciate it as well. I'm so happy. I'm so easily able to order. That takes all but 1 second. Then I'm going to my coffee bar and I'm putting all of the Nespresso pods in. While I'm doing that, I'm robotically affirming I have 1 million subscribers. I'm earning $1,000 a day. Then I'm walking to the gym. You're goddamn right, I'm affirming. I have 1 million subscribers. I'm earning $1,000 a day. I'm also listening to my self-concept subliminal, which you can check out in the card up above. Before going to the gym, I went to a nearby cafe. Now, as I'm eating, I am replying to my client emails, meaning I am not robotically affirming at this time. I'm putting all of my thoughts, all of my energy, all of my love, all of my soul into my client emails. If you want to book one-on-one coaching with me, you can do so in the card up above. So now I'm at the gym, it's arm day today, and as I am lifting weights, I am actually not robotically affirming. Does anyone want to guess why? It's because I am counting in my head. Instead of saying, I have 1 million subscribers, I'm counting 1, 2, because mama's got to get those reps in. I lift 10 times until I can rest, and then I have to lift 10 times again, rest, and then lift 10 times again of the same exercise. So I can't possibly robotically affirm because I am making sure I'm doing the right amount of reps, the right amount of sets. Then I go on the Stairmaster, and you best believe on the Stairmaster, I'm robotically affirming. So I'm listening to hip hop, songs that hype me up, that put me in a good mood. As I'm listening to this, I can also robotically affirm. So I'm affirming, I have 1 million subscribers, I'm earning $1,000 a day. I'm not putting any emotions into it. I'm not making myself get into the state. This is pure mindless robotic affirming. As I am walking home, I am in an amazing mood because the endorphins are rushing. I just got myself a freshly squeezed juice. I'm enjoying my robotic affirmations. Now I am showering, and of course I am repeating, I'm earning $1,000 a day. I have 1 million subscribers. I'm walking outside. I'm going to my meditation spot. As I'm walking, I see the biggest butterfly on my fig tree, and that makes me so happy. I'm fully relishing in that moment. I want to quickly talk about Aura. This is the very first time that you're seeing me try this app, and it was absolutely easy to sign up. They asked you a bunch of questions. What do you like? Do you like ASMR? Do you like white noise? What are your meditation goals? Do you want restful sleep? It customizes the best content for you. And what I started loving about this app is that there is a streak. So I feel like I'm playing a game. So I did the soothing happiness meditation. And as I'm doing this, by the way, I'm not robotically affirming. I'm completely clearing my mind. When I tell you I came out of this meditation so absolutely relaxed, you have no idea. I got instantly hooked to Aura. If you want to try out the Aura app, I have a special link for you. So if you click on this specific link in my description box down below, you get a 7-day free trial along with a juicy 25% discount on any subscription you choose. So make sure to check that out. I've never tried Aura before. This is my first time with you guys, and I was so impressed. I literally came out of that feeling so grateful, feeling so calm and at peace and happy. Now I'm giving a mango to Kale. He absolutely loves mangoes. And as I'm walking to him, I'm robotically affirming until I near his cage. Then I stop robotically affirming and I start talking to him. Oh my god, Kale, isn't it so exciting? You're getting your mango. Is it so yummy, yummy? Good boy. And he gets so happy. He starts dancing. He absolutely loves mangoes. As I'm walking to my YouTube room, I'm robotically affirming. I'm earning $1,000 a day. I have 1 million subscribers. Now I'm about to film a YouTube video. I'm putting my makeup on, getting my hair done. I take a moment to appreciate my cat. Raises my vibration instantly. As I'm putting my makeup on, I am affirming. I have 1 million subscribers. I'm earning $1,000 a day. I have 1 million subscribers. I'm earning $1,000 a day with absolutely no thought behind it. As I'm brushing my hair, I am affirming. I have 1 million subscribers. I'm earning $1,000 a day. Now, thoughts can pass your mind. That is totally okay. Now, I'm thinking, oh my God, my hair actually looks so cute. Do I even really need to straighten it? And then I think, yeah, I actually do. So I start straightening it and I go back to robotically affirming. I have 1 million subscribers. I'm earning $1,000 a day. I take a moment to appreciate the tree that's outside. The wind going through the trees looks absolutely beautiful and I was absolutely vibing with it. I'm super high vibe. I'm happy with how I look. I'm happy with my makeup. I'm happy with my hair. And now I am getting ready to film. So I am not robotically affirming at this point. I am fully locked in, about to talk about what it is that I want to talk about. I'm fully in the moment, engaging with you guys. And my cat is constantly looking at what I'm doing. She's so curious. I'm really happy because I'm finished filming and I was really happy with how the video turns out. As I'm walking to my couch to put my laptop there because I'm going to be working, I am robotically affirming. I have 1 million subscribers. I'm earning $1,000 a day. I also got inspired action to give Kale another fruit. As I'm getting the fruit, as I'm getting the knife, as I'm getting the chopping board, I'm affirming I have 1 million subscribers. As I'm chopping, I'm doing the same thing. I have 1 million subscribers. I'm earning $1,000 a day. As I'm walking to the cage, I am robotically affirming. As I walk up to the cage, again, I'm interacting with an animal. I am not robotically affirming. Same goes for your children, same goes for friends, family, acquaintances, whatever. I see his water needs to be refilled. I'm not robotically affirming in that moment. It's a split-second decision. Take the water out. I'm hoping he doesn't bite me because he's still a little bit wild and I'm trying to hand rear him. So I'm thinking about that for a second. I talk to Kale. He seems like he's over the moon with his fruit. I go back and I'm robotically affirming. I have 1 million subscribers. I have 1 million subscribers. I have 1 million subscribers. I'm getting my tuna out. I'm getting my tea out. As I'm doing so, as you can see, robotically affirming, I'm earning $1,000 a day. I have 1 million subscribers. I'm in a super good mood. I'm excited for my snack. My thoughts as I'm pouring this is, can this thing pour properly? Don't embarrass me right now. I have that thought. I go back to robotic affirming. As you can see, I opened the tuna and I had random inspired action to put the dishes away now and to wash the remaining dishes. Sometimes you couldn't pay me to wash the dishes. Sometimes I look at it and I'm like, yes, that is exactly what needs to be done right now. Follow that. So that is what I'm constantly doing on a moment-to-moment basis. I'm following my intuition. I'm following my happiness. As I'm doing so, I'm affirming. I have 1 million subscribers. I'm earning $1,000 a day. I see my cat staring at me because she's always staring at me, really curious at what I'm doing. And then I start telling her, I have 1 million subscribers. I'm earning $1,000 a day. And you know, I think that she really understands what I'm saying. As I'm washing the dishes, I am affirming the same thing. I have 1 million subscribers. I'm earning $1,000 a day. I have 1 million subscribers. I have 1 million subscribers. I have 1 million subscribers. I'm going to the couch with my tea and tuna and I'm affirming I have 1 million subscribers. I'm earning $1,000 a day. When I eat, I do watch something, not even for this video. I literally felt like watching nothing. So as I was eating, I was affirming I have 1 million subscribers. I'm earning $1,000 a day. I have 1 million subscribers. I'm earning $1,000 a day. So now I'm drinking my tea and it's back to business. I am replying to more client emails. I am answering emails to do with other content creator things. I am writing my course. Surprise! I'm gonna be launching a course in a month or 6 weeks and I'm so excited about it. Comment down below what you think it might be about. I'm really curious to see. As I'm doing all of these things, I am not robotically affirming. I am locked in and concentrated on what it is that I'm doing. My cat was being so cute. I gave her some scratches, talked to her. At that time, I was also not robotically affirming because I was interacting with an animal. She's so cute. Look at her. Oh my god. I'm done with all of my work. I'm feeling super proud of myself. And now it's time for me to edit the video that I filmed yesterday. So as I'm walking to the PC, I'm robotically affirming I have 1 million subscribers. I'm earning $1,000 a day. As I log in and I start editing, your girl is locked in. I'm fully in the moment, concentrating on what needs to be done. That's it. I'm not robotically affirming. Then I feed my cat. It's time for her dinner. Then Stan comes home and I'm so happy about it. So I spend time with him. I'm not robotically affirming at all at that time. I was on his chest. I was fully in the moment, appreciating it. Now I'm having a shower and I'm back to robotically affirming. I have 1 million subscribers. I'm earning $1,000 a day. As the water is hitting me, I am in full appreciation mode. I love this water. This water feels so nice on my skin. I love feeling clean. I love showering. That raises my vibration. Now I just photoshopped my channel name, my profile picture, and 1 million subscribers, just like I did when I was manifesting 100,000 subscribers. So this is the last thing that I do. I take a good hard look at that photo. I want it to be imprinted in my mind. That exact photo is going to be in my mind as I close my eyes doing sats. So as soon as my head hits the pillow, I am thinking of that image, and I am also at the same time repeating in my head, I have 1 million subscribers. I have 1 million subscribers. I have 1 million subscribers, until I fall asleep. That has been my whole manifesting routine. I know that you loved this video. Make sure to give it a like. I hope you have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye everyone, and good night.